Namaste everyone. Let us see few more questions related to linear equations in one variable. And here I am taking your question number 15 of the worksheet. The question is, the difference between two positive integers is 30 and the ratio of these integers is 2:5. Then find the integers. So what is given? This is your question number 15. Ratio of integers is given 2:5. Then if ratio is 2:5, we have to suppose common factor. So if common factor equals to x, let common factor equals to x, then the integers are 2 into x, that is 2x, comma 5 multiplied by x, that is 5x. And what is given, their difference is 30. Difference is 30. Now what it means? The difference is positive. It means larger minus smaller is equals to 30. Means 5x minus 2x will be equals to 30. 5 minus 2, 3x equals to 30, and x will be equals to 30 upon 3, that is 3 tens are 30, which is equals to 10. Therefore integers are, one is 2x, that will be 2 into 10, and second one is 5x, that will be 5 into 10. So 2 tens are 20 and 5 tens are 50 is your required answer. Let us see one more question, that is question number 17. A money box contains 1 rupees and 2 rupees coins in the ratio 5:6. So it is your question number 17 of the worksheet, and what is given? Ratio of coins. Ratio of coins is given equals to 5:6. It is the ratio of rupees 1 coins ratio rupees 2 coins. Then what it says, if the total value of coins in the box is rupees 85, means total amount will be rupees, what 85. We need to do? Find the number of 2 rupees coins. So again ratio is given, so let common factor equals to x. If common factor is x, rupees 1 coins will be 5 into x, that is 5x. Now what will be their value? Rupees 1 coins value. For example, suppose you have 10 1 rupees coins, their value will be 10 rupees. So same here, we have 5x 1 rupees coins, so their value will be 5x multiplied by 1, that is 5x itself. Same, rupees 2 coins are given equals to 6 into x, that is 6x. What will be their value? Rupees 2 coins are given 6x, so their value will be 2 multiplied by 6x. Because suppose, for example, if you have 22 rupees coins, then their value will be 20 multiplied by 2, which is 40 rupees. So same, we have 6x 2 rupees coins, their value will be 2 multiplied by 6x, which is equals to 12x. Now according to question, total amount, that is 2 rupees plus total of 1 rupees will be equals to 85. So 12x plus 5x is equals to 85. 12x plus 5x is 17x will be equals to 85, and the value of x will be 85 upon 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 fives are 85, it is equals to 5. Means number of rupees 1 coins is given equals to 5 into 5, which is equals to 25. And number of 2 coins, 2 rupees coins, will be equals to 6 into 5, which is equal to 30. And total amount will be 32s are 60 rupees, and 60 plus 25, 85 rupees. Hence it is correct. Let us discuss the last question also. It is, a purse has only 1 rupees and 2 rupees coins in it. The number of 2 rupees coins is 1/3 the number of 1 rupees coins. So what is given in the question? This is question number 18. The number of 2 rupees coins is 1/3 that of 1 rupees coins. So let 1 rupees coins equals to x. What will be 2 rupees coins? Number of 2 rupees coins will be 1/3 of x, that is 1 upon 3 multiplied by x. You can say 1 upon 3 x. Then what will be their values? Now see, 1 rupees coins are x, so their value of rupees 1 will be equals to 1 multiplied by x, that is x itself. And value of rupees 2 coins, that will be 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3x, which is equals to 2 ones are 2, that is 2 upon 3x. Now according to question, total amount is given equals to rupees 115. Total is given equals to rupees 115. Now what will be total? The value of 1 rupees coins plus value of 2 rupees coins. So it is, according to question, x plus 2 upon 3x is equals to 115. Take LCM in the left hand side. This will be equals to, LCM is 3, and 3 ones are 3x plus 2 ones are 2x equals to 115. Then 3 plus 2 will be equals to 5x upon 3 equals to 115. Now cross multiply. 5x into 1 will be equals to 5x itself, and in right side we have 3 into 115. Write as it is, 3 into 115. X will be equals to 3 multiplied by 115. Take 5 to the right side, it will go in divide. So what will be your answer? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So it will be 23 threes are 69. Means the number of 1 rupees coins will be 69, and number of rupees 2 coins will be 1 upon 3 multiplied by x, that is 69, equals to 323s will be equals to 23. This is your required answer.